everyone, welcome to my little corner of the internet. So, I just turned 21 like about 1 month ago, and here are 21 things that I learned till now. So, let's start the video. But I want to say something like things that work out for me probably doesn't work out for you. Like I believe कि हर इंसान डिफरेंट होता है बट हम कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पे जाके सेम भी होते हैं. आई विल बी सो हैप्पी अगर आपके लिए 1 2 3 या कुछ भी चीज़ें वर्कआउट करती हैं तो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. सो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, लाइफ इज़ सुपर ईजी. लाइक मुझे पता है हम सब मिलके लाइफ को बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते हैं बट इट्स सुपर सिंपल. लाइक हमें सिर्फ फोकस करना है कि आज का दिन कल वाले दिन से बेटर कैसे हो सकता है एंड जस्ट लाइक वी आर डूइंग द राइट थिंग एट द राइट टाइम. That's all. Second, learn to be alone. Learn to be all by yourself. Enjoy your solitude. Like go on solo dates. Or trust me, एक बार आप गए, there is no going back. You'll enjoy it. Third thing, journaling is important. Sometimes ऐसा होता है हमारे पास कोई भी नहीं होता बात करने के लिए. I myself completed 3 journals in the last 3 years and I think अगर मैं journaling नहीं कर रही होती तो क्योंकि I am an overthinker तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा build up कर लेती अपने दिमाग में. So yeah, journaling is important. Fourth thing, health should be your priority. Like sometimes ऐसा होता है कि जब लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं तो हमसे सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्थ को इग्नोर करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Plus one thing more, be sophisticated and looking good means looking presentable. So look good. Fifth thing, hate means you are growing. So sometimes like people used to overthink about it. Don't overthink, just move on. You are growing. Sixth thing, never let a guy pay for you. I learned it the hard way. कभी मत करने देना. लाइक आप अपनी आधी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट वहीं लूज़ कर दोगे जहाँ आपने लड़के को पे करने दिया. अनटिल एंड अनलेस आपका कनेक्शन बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत टाइम का है, नेवर लेट अ गाय पे फॉर यू. मैनिफेस्टेशन कैन चेंज एवरीथिंग. लाइक ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस. I am doing whatever the hell I manifested in the last 3 years. Yeah, manifestation works. The point आ गया. 8th I guess. So like you are in your own timeline. Like see, FOMO वगैरह hit होना it's like very common these days but you are in your own timeline. Just understand this, you are the only competitor of yourself. It's your life. 9th point, judgments are distractions. Like I said, life is super easy. Your only goal is to improve better than last day and judgments and all are just distractions. Like see, that are distracting you from your end goal, that is to be better every day. You get me? Judgments means nothing. They are just thoughts. They are just some thoughts and there are millions of thoughts in this world. 10th thing, look cool in your own way. Like looking cool doesn't mean that you have a tight cock in your hand, you are wearing a hat, you are wearing waist chain and all. That doesn't mean looking good or you are wearing a bandana and all. No, look cool in your own way. Probably for some person looking cool means journaling or reading a book or just going for a walk and all, or just wearing in headphones or just wearing earphones or earbuds. That can be anything. Look good in your own way. Whatever you like makes you cool. Looking cool is not a competition, I mean. 11th point, nothing is forever. Nothing. I said nothing is forever. Like see, sometimes we used to think कि ये चीज़ तो मेरे पास हमेशा रहेगी, ये चीज़ तो रहेगी ही रहेगी और ये सब चीज़ें हमें ज़्यादा हर्ट करती हैं. Just understand the fact that nothing is forever and you'll feel so light after that. Like I don't know about you all but 12th point is talk to your parents every day. Like I didn't used to talk to my parents every day but now I have started talking to them every day and that creates a change. Okay, 13th point, date to date, not to marry. I said what I said. Just don't overthink. Date to date, not to marry. 14th thing, learn to say no. Like I guess that was the most important learning I had in my life. Like be kind but that doesn't mean that you always say yes to everyone. Just say no and move on. 15th point, never ever, I repeat, never ever give up on your childhood dreams. Like just make that happen. You can do everything. I never gave up on my childhood dreams. I am still dreaming about them. 16th point, self-love is important. Self-love means self-respect, self-care, self-gifting, spending time with yourself, talking to yourself, meditation. That can mean everything that makes you happy, like अंदर से happy. That's important. And gift yourself something whenever you feel sad. I guess 17, eat without guilt. Like see, मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा गिल्ट हुआ करता था जब भी मैं कुछ बाहर का खाती थी, और जब भी मैं ऐसा कुछ खाती थी, क्योंकि तब मैं जिम करती थी और मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मेरे फेस वगैरह पे दिखता है. बट समटाइम्स लाइक कभी कभी खाना इट्स लाइक नॉर्मल. लाइक ईट विदाउट गिल्ट. लाइक गिल्ट करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर आपका मन है तो खाओ. दिस इज़ द एज ओनली जिसमें आप ये सब खा सकते हो. बूढ़े होने के बाद थोड़ी खाओगे. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप डेली कुछ ना कुछ फास्ट फूड खा रहे हो. यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर हेल्थ टू. 18th पॉइंट, रीडिंग इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. लाइक जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रीडिंग किया करती थी, बट देन इवेंचुअली बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ गई तो मैंने रीडिंग को ड्रॉप कर दिया. बट नो, you have to read books, you need to work on your vocabulary, you need to work on your speaking skills, and you need to, like, it's a good habit. Like, keep on reading rather than scrolling on Instagram. Like, read anything. Like, that can be a novel, that can be a book, that can be a biography, anything. 19th thing, and I guess this is going to be the most important thing or most important learning of myself. You should remember facts too. Like, I used to remember only the core values or the learnings of the whole thing, but you should remember facts too. Sometimes that shows that how much intellectual you are or not. Like, I am trying my best to remember facts and all, but मैं बहुत भुलक्कड़ हूँ. Second last thing, you should not trust people blindly. Like, especially जब आप college years में हो तो no. लाइक समटाइम्स लाइक लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं तो वो पार्टनर्स वगैरह को देखते हैं, और ज़्यादातर वैसे बिजनेसेस नहीं चलते हैं, उनके पार्टनर्स जो होते हैं वो ब्रेक कर जाते हैं. सो या यू शुड नॉट ट्रस्ट पीपल ब्लाइंडली एंड ऑल, कि आप अपने लाइफ के मेजर डिसीजंस उन पर ट्रस्ट करके ले रहे हो या फिर आप उनकी वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा दे रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में. ऐसा कभी मत करना. And the 21st and the last point is your attitude towards life is everything. Don't complain. Never complain. Like, I used to complain all the time that क्यों ये क्लासेस होती हैं, क्यों जाना पड़ता है क्लास में, क्यों ले ली मैंने इंजीनियरिंग ऐसे करके. बट never complain. Either you fix it or you remove it. That's all. That's the only two cases. Don't complain. Never complain. Yeah, your attitude towards life is everything. If you think life is simple, life will be simple. If you think life is complicated, it will be complicated. Just change your attitude towards everything and it will change the whole world for you. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it. And guys, I made this video for fun only. But if something works out for you, I will be so glad. Okay guys, bye bye. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos like this, okay? Bye bye.